Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. This is the BBNaija Reunion Day 10 recap. Diane confesses Esther stabbed my heart by dating my love interest. The BBNaija Reunion Show 2020 entered the 10th episode yesterday, and the drama was quite as steamy as it was since the show debuted 2 weeks ago. The episode, which centered on whom housemates shouldn't be close to or trust in the house that they did, enter the second part. The chapter opened with Ebuka recalling a conversation that happened between Mercy and Diane, saying they did not trust Esther even though they were quite close at that time. Ebuka went directly and asked Esther how she felt when she saw the clip after leaving the house. Esther expressed her disappointment on the duo because she believed they were cool with her, as they were quite close then. She explained how she was first friends with Diane and then later to Mercy, but they were quite close in the house. She said even though there's no bad blood between them anymore, but their relationship isn't cordial anymore. Mercy, when asked, explained what stirred the conversation, being that Esther was quick to switch their trio relationship for Nelson, even though she was quite aware that Diane was in love with Nelson first. She said once Esther found a love interest, she just turned off from them and stayed with the man. According to Mercy, she did it first with Nelson, and when Nelson left, she switched to Fraud, even though her feelings were not quite genuine with him. Diane responded by saying the beef she had with Esther was caused by her relationship with Nelson. Diane said she had earlier made her intention known to Esther that she liked Nelson, but Esther went behind her back and started dating Nelson in the house and started doing all the lovey-dovey just to spite her. Diane said, I felt like being stabbed several times in the heart each time I saw them holding hands, laying in the garden or sharing the same bed. I was overjoyed when Nelson was evicted. She further mentioned that her jealousy of their relationship was when she was actually the first woman in the picture with Nelson, made her feel she didn't or couldn't trust Esther. And when Nelson left, Fraud, who asked Esther out first and she refused, suddenly came into the picture, and she started frolicking with Fraud after he won the head of house title. Esther reacted that she decided to go for Nelson because he never confessed to her that he liked Diane, even though she probed him severally. And about Fraud, not that she really liked him, but after she began spending time with him, she kind of felt for him a little romantically. Venita was called in as usual to contribute, and she opened up about also not being comfortable with Esther and Fraud's relationship because Fraud showed interest in her when she first entered the house, only for him to turn around and start spreading the rumor that she was the one falling for him instead. Jackie also told Esther blatantly that she felt she was using Fraud because she knew she never liked him and only stayed with Fraud when he won the veto power. Jackie jokingly demanded an apology from Esther for playing her Igbo brother and later abandoning him to fate. And Esther did apologize, and they all laughed about it. Stay tuned as we bring you more gist from the BBNaija Reunion Show drama as it is. Okay, if this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.